And welcome back to another episode of KTTV. I'm your host, Kamari. Would you like to be a fish camp peer mentor? Applications are now open. You must be a 10th or 11th grader. Interviews will be held during enrichment in April. This is a great way to earn volunteer hours. Apply using the QR codes on your screen. For those involved with football, volleyball, band, or KBBC, you can sign up to work the dance. Deadline to apply is Monday, April 3rd. How would you like to go to Washington, D.C. and see how our government works close up? Close up is much more than a field trip. It's an unforgettable 6-day study visit to the nation's capital. The program takes you on study visits to Washington's famous monuments and memorials. You will get a front row seat to democracy in action in the halls of Congress as well as in meetings with Washington insiders. Every night has fun activities to reinforce what you learned that day, as well as nightly socials where you and your friends have a chance to laugh and get to know each other better. Sign up for more information by scanning the QR code on your screen. COSUP is open to seniors and juniors only. The trip is January 2024 and does not count against exemptions. Lock in early bird pricing with a $200 deposit by June 30th, 2023. Now for club news. If you see a member of our UIL one-act play company, give them a shout because they are your district champions. Alongside their championship, the company received the following awards: Oyen Ojimo, Best Performer; Lexi Morgan, Outstanding Technician; Michael Kamek, Cameron Saran, and Eloise Langan, All-Star Cast. They compete for the by-district at Dulles High School on Thursday. Today, the choir will host its Pre-UIL concert at 7 at the Holy Covenant United Methodist Church. And tomorrow, March 23rd, band will host its Pre-UIL concert at 7 in the PAC. Congratulations to Katy Student Council. They were recognized in 3 out of 4 areas in the first-year program: Pride and Patriotism, Dash, and Community Service. Great job, student council members and sponsors. The Stuco is holding a prom clothing drive during March and April. Donate dresses, tuxedos, accessories, etc. to help people in need. Drop them off in the recycling bins located in the counselor's office. Now for sports with Neve.
Last night, the varsity baseball team defeated the May Creek Rams 10-0. Tonight, the JV baseball team will travel to May Creek, and sophomore baseball will host May Creek. Game times are 4 o'clock and 6:30. On Friday, varsity baseball will host May Creek at 6 p.m. Finally, on Saturday, varsity baseball will host Jordan. The game starts at noon. On Tuesday, softball swept 7 Lakes. JV won 12-0 and varsity won 3-1. On Friday, softball will host Taylor. Game times are 4:30 and 6 o'clock. Good luck to all of our baseball and softball players. Today, the sub-varsity track teams are competing in the Tompkins Relays. On Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, varsity track will compete in the Victor Lopez Classic at Rice University. Finally, on Friday, varsity tennis compete in the Cy-Fair ISD Varsity Invitational. Good luck to all of our track and tennis teams. That's all for today, Tigers. Make sure to follow our social media at KT Tiger Media for more school and sports updates. Go Tigers!